Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to build and train a time series AI model. But before we get started, let's upload the dataset we'll be working with. So I'll start a flow here. You see this data icon in the left corner. You click on that, click on add data. You can select files or folder depending on what sort of data you work with. I'll quickly upload a dataset that I have. Click on done. And after it's complete uploading, you'll see this ready icon right here. And you're good to go. And to the main agenda of the day, that is how to train an AI model using a flow. You need to first navigate to the flow editor, open node library. You have to add at least 3 nodes to train an AI model. So we'll first select data, then comes train AI model and preview output. You can rearrange these nodes by dragging them along the canvas. I'll arrange them like this. Now we have to connect them. So you drag from this circle to this and like this. And you have just created yourself the first AI pipeline. Now here comes the best part. Click on the first node, that is select data. Switch over to the second tab. Make sure your data is selected. Click on Save Selection. And you can finally begin training your AI model. Here you need to tell AI what you're actually looking for. In this setup section, you need to select the AI category. Depending on your data, I'll select tabular, task type, it's time series forecasting, and the AI model, it's profit. You can again save setup. Now it automatically switches over to the second tab, that is input. And this is the most important step. You will see all these columns. These are our features. You can select according to your preference and what you're looking for. I'm going to select birth here. I'm quickly going to remove all the 3. You can choose the frequency to daily, hourly, weekly, etc. I'm going to select weekly. I'll let it be like this. If you want to add lag days, you can add them. Add rolling mean if you want, and I'll let it be like this only, and I'll click on Save Configuration. And you're ready. Click on Run. You can see the execution progress here. It's not going to take a lot of time though. And you can see if the flow execution is complete, and you can preview the output. You see the artifacts and the blobs here. We have a JSON output right here. You can expand it if you want. You can also check the training metrics by clicking on data here. And there we have it. In the next video, I'll show you how to use these and run inference. In the meantime, if you have any questions, feel free to check our documentation and comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you.